Hey, Jody Walters here from MarineMax, Panama City Beach, Florida. Today we're going to talk a little bit about the Harris pontoon boats. Harris is the leading manufacturer of pontoon boats. They're the original manufacturer of pontoon boats, been in the business for over 60 years. Show you some of the benefits that the construction of the Harris pontoon boats. If you'll notice that the tubes are a minimum of 26 inches in diameter. They are crimped, welded. Each section, you have 3 sections per tube, which gives you added security that if you did have a rupture on one of the tubes, that you have 2 other sections that are going to be not compromised. So it gives you added safety. If you'll notice that the M bracket here goes all the way the length of the tube. Some manufacturers do sections and then cover that with a piece of molding where it kind of looks like it's all one piece, but this is all one piece from one end of the tube to the other. Also, if you'll notice that the corners are one piece molded structure, that when the cross members, they come all the way to the end. They don't stop short like many manufacturers do, which leaves this as a vulnerable spot. This is all the way across. They're spaced tightly together with one piece cap to make sure your corners are nice, firm, and strong. You notice that the plywood construction is tongue and groove. It is screwed together in all the joints. A screw is much stronger than a bolt, simply because a screw bites all the way through the wood, where a bolt's going to have some play. Each one of the screw heads are covered with butyl rubber to increase the sealing of the deck. And then you have your choice of flooring that goes on top. Now we're going to walk over and take a look at a couple of the boats themselves. Hi, we're standing in front of the Sunliner series 23-foot Harris pontoon boat, and go over some of the benefits that you get with the Harris. As again, you notice that it's the one-piece molded cap system. It goes all the way down the perimeter of the boat. Gives you good strong corners with your bracing that comes all the way out to the end, very tightly spaced. One of the best features, which is something very trivial, with the flip up cleat. Nothing will ruin your day on the beach than a toe on the cleat. So this is added safety, makes it, everything very, very friendly. You'll notice the boarding ladder here. It's 4 real deep 4-tread boarding ladder with a double tread on the top. You notice the width of the extra wide bracing. Very sturdy. Makes it easy when you're coming in and out with a child or cooler or whatever. It just gives you a lot of walkway space. It's powered by the 150 Mercury. It has the performance package, which gives you extra lift on each one of your tubes. It has the lifting strakes on the front, makes planing easy and performance handling. The center tube on the Tritoons are 1.5 to 2 inches deeper, which gives you a ride like a V-hull boat, which added performance as far as pulling a skier or a tow or high maneuver turns. It cuts into the water and keeps the tunes very stable. Let's go aboard and take a look at some of the other features. The 230 Sunliner has a huge storage compartment. Puts all your water toys in there, your wakeboards or whatnot. Gives you a nice layout pad. One of the best features of this boat is the reversible chair. Gives you a lounger here, forward or back facing. You can watch the sun rise, never leave, watch the sun set. All right, come aboard. Let's take a look at this 230 Sunliner Harris. When you come aboard, you notice how wide and spacious it is. You have a very, very nice, comfortable captain's chair. It's adjustable. You have the extra, this is the desert camel tan upholstery with the upgraded upholstery package. It has the extra filler in the cushions with the embossment. Trash cans. You'll notice all the cushions are hinged. Also with the molded seat, when you're on a boat, so everything's going to get wet up here, everything channels off. Anything you put in these lockers, they're sealed and has a drain channel to drain all the water overboard. So whatever you put into the seats, under the seat compartments, stay dry. No more wet towels, wet clothes. You'll notice here on boarding door, spring-loaded hinges. If you'll notice, this brace here withstands up to 400 pounds of force. So if you have a child that's running, or you happen to catch a wave, you hit against it hard, you can rest assured that that's going to stay in place and keep you on board for this extra safety. You'll notice here this particular model has got a double bimini, covers the entire length of the boat. You can leave the back covered, the front off, or vice versa, or have the whole top covered to keep you plenty of sunshade for the long days. Got plenty of storage here with an optional changing curtain. Extra deep ram assisted locker for your skis. At the helm, you have a Fusion stereo system with speakers all throughout. You have interior lighting and super smooth Mercury controls. Come forward, 2 long loungers, fold out armrest, adjustable cup holders. This has the upgraded teak flooring, same as your boarding door here. The extra reinforced bracing here. It's the beautiful metallic red. You'll notice the fencing is all one piece that comes around. It's not spliced. That's not just for looks. That's for added safety and strength. Another feature that you have here on the Harris pontoon boats that's come standard. If you'll notice, there are no screw holes for your cover. That's snaps. That's because a snap is a screw. If that was to pull out, you're going to have holes in here. Harris has designed a special locking system for your boat cover that comes over and snaps onto your rub rail and keeps it extremely tight, extremely firm and in place, so you don't have to worry about any kind of intrusions with the snaps. It comes with docking lights, again flip up toe savers, cleats. I'm Jody Walters, MarineMax, Panama City Beach, Florida. Come see me, 850-708-1317. Thank you.